Chris,
Down the front of your face.
what's in your mouth? What are they?
Drip on his pants there, man.
Why do you have jelly beans? There's something in your coming out of your mouth. Is there something on your chin? Yeah, what is that? You missed it. Who brought you jelly beans?
It's a burger bean.
You have more jelly beans? Where? Oh my gosh. Is it Easter? What's that?
Candy.
It's candy?
Yeah.
What else do you have over here? Anything good?
I have a big candy.
Big candy? What else? Do you have anything to drink? What is that?
Soda.
Oh, do you like soda?
It's a milk candy.
Did you get a flashlight or something?
Yep.
Wow, that's really bright.
Oh, that's bright.
Shine it in your face, Chris. Chris, shine it in your face.
Did you get a book?
Yeah.
Where? Oh.
I have to open this.
Maybe let's finish your jelly beans first.
Can you say Happy Easter? Happy Easter.
Candy and soda.
Okay.